Hey friends, and welcome back to the Gentleman's Journey. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Charles. Guys, we end up talking about a lot of boots and other guy-related stuff on this channel. In this video, I was in Montana, and I had one question I was trying to find out. What kind of boots do wildland firefighters wear? So guys, I ended up finding a bunch of charitable people who were able to sit down and answer a couple of questions for me. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. We have a bunch of videos just like this, but let's find out what kind of boots wildland firefighters wear. Who do you work for and what boots you have on?
So I work for Montana DNRC and I got on the Danner Tacticals.
Danner Tacticals. So tell me, where do you work at and what kind of boots do you have on?
I work on the Bitterroot National Forest in the Stevensville District in Montana, and I have the white smoke jumpers on. And they have, I think, almost 2 whole seasons on them, and so far I have absolutely loved them. I know a lot of people don't like the loggers because of the arch support, but I think that's probably my #1 favorite thing about them. And let's see, the break-in period is difficult. Your feet will not be very happy, but once they're broken in, they are probably the best boots you'll ever wear.
How good is that? Thank you so much. All right, so who do you work for and what boots do you have on?
I'm with DNRC and then I wear the Danners. Very good for hiking though, very comfortable.
I'm Savannah, I work for Kalispell DNRC, and I wear Flashpoint 2 Danners.
Oh, heck yeah. All right, so where do you work at and what kind of boots do you wear?
I work in Montana in Stevensville in the forest.
Awesome. And what kind of boots do you got on?
Today I'm wearing Nick's loggers, and I like them because I don't know. I wore Loas for a while. They're like a hiker type fire rated boot, and they were cool. They didn't last very long. They were pretty weak. They lasted probably a season and a half. And then the other issue I was having with them is that their sole isn't very wide, and they didn't let me kind of cut into the ground as I was hiking like a side hill or something like that. So then somebody suggested I try the logger type, and then I bought the Nick's. And initially I hated them because obviously they take a long time to break in and they hurt. Then as they started to break in more, I realized that it was better for staying upright. Your ankles don't break as much when you're trying to stand uphill or trying to side hill. The high heel, I know a lot of people might hate them, but for me it lessens the angle at which your foot is hitting the ground when you're on a really steep slope. So I actually find that helps a lot. And
very good. So
yeah.
How old are these ones?
These are actually probably, I've had them for a year and a half. They've been worn for just about an entire season at this point. Probably a total of 6 months.
Very good.
Yeah.
Awesome, thanks so much.
Yeah.
All right, man, so what boots do you have on and who do you work for?
I'm wearing some Nick's, they're the Hot Shots, and I work for Montana DNRC.
Oh, yeah.
I work for Montana DNRC and I wear a pair of Danner Flashpoints.
Awesome, man. All right, friends, so guys, thank you so much to all those people who volunteered to talk in this video. Guys, we sure learned a lot, didn't we? You know, some of the boots we saw, of course, were the Danner Tacticals, then the white smoke jumpers, more Danner Tacticals, then we saw some Flashpoints, some Nick's, and then some more Danner. Now guys, I was a bit surprised to see that much Danner, but you know, go figure, it's such a big company. They have a huge marketing campaign going on and they do put out a good product. So as you'll see, there was a bunch of Nick's and whites and stuff like that in there as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you check back the channel, we did what kind of boots do bikers wear, and we got some more questions out there to ask, like what kind of boots do park rangers wear? What kind of boots do contractors wear? You're gonna see more of this, probably even more firefighters in the future. So guys, make sure and subscribe for all that kind of stuff. We got some other stuff coming down the pipe on the channel. Got some more new boots coming at you guys really soon, some 1-year reviews. Hope you'll stick around. Until the next video, guys, God bless. And hey, don't forget to give those boots some love from time to time.